Mercedes-Benz EQA is the second model to join the EQ family. It's an answer to the Teslas and Jaguars of the world. Let me take you through this EQA and what exactly does it offer to a customer. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video. The Mercedes-Benz EQA is a compact SUV and is a close relative of the GLA. The EQA gets its characteristics from the GLA and enhances them with a fully electric powertrain. The EQA, though smaller than the EQC, still has big shoes to fill. The Mercedes-Benz EQA will be available in the European markets anytime after March 2021. The EQA is priced at 47,540 euros in Germany, which directly converts to Rs 42.05 lakh. This price excludes the subsidies being offered by numerous markets. The EQA will be available as a single variant offering named as EQA 250. The compact SUV packs a 66.5 kWh battery and offers an NEDC rated range of 486 km. The Li-ion battery sits within the underbody of the car, offering a high standard of noise and vibration comfort. The EQA is also claimed to offer consumption of 15.7 kWh per 100 km. The Mercedes-Benz EQA is a result of a downsized architecture, but the compact SUV does not compromise on its progressive details inside out. The EQA has a very progressive and bold design, and the continuous light strip at the front and rear connected to the signature blue-colored LED headlamps specifies just that. The LED tail lamps with the LED light strip, tri-colored 20-inch light alloy wheels add to the overall image of the EQA. The aerodynamic character of the car complements the electric drive system of the EQA, offering exceptional efficiency and maximum range. The advanced navigation feature of the SUV also enhances the driving experience by a significant margin. Mercedes-Benz also offers a comprehensive charging infrastructure of around 4.5 lakh AC and DC chargers across 31 countries. The EQA also boasts a very comprehensive safety package including features like lane keeping assist, brake assist, attention assist, steering assist, blind spot assist, 360-degree camera, traffic sign assist, parking assist, distance assist, and much more. Entry-level premium electric is so important. It opens up affordable price point to a brand. We believe EQA will make this impact which EQC should have. We expect EQA to be launched in India by the end of 2022. You are watching Times of India Auto. I am Lalit Dhawan. Stay tuned for further news and updates.